Assalamu alaikum my students. Here is me your teacher Ma'am Bushra. Hope you all will be in good health. I am fine too. So let's start our lecture for today. Open your Oxford Progressive English. Open page number 14. On page number 14 we have a news report, and this news report is written by Michael Durham in Mosi Otunya National Park, Zambia, Southeast Africa. Okay, and what is the title? Look over here. Wildlife experts in Zambia. Experts are the skillful people. Wildlife experts in Zambia fear flight from poachers. Poachers means hunters, those who hunt animals, is damaging crops and property. This report is about of wildlife experts in Zambia who fear that the flight of the poachers is damaging crops and property in Zambia. Now let's see what is there in the report. The latest refugees from violence. Refugees are those people who are forced to leave their home country. Now the refugees can be human beings, and they can be animals as well. This report is about the animals, so here the refugees are the animals. Now which animal particularly is, we will come to know about that once we read the text. Okay, so the latest refugees from violence. Violence means to hurt someone. Okay, some destruction. Hundreds of wild elephants are the latest refugees from violence. As I have said before, refugees can be animals or they can be human beings. Here the refugees are the wild elephants from violence and disorder in Robert Mugabe's crisis torn Zimbabwe. Robert Mugabe is the governor of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is the country, and in that country is crisis torn. It's unstable period over there. There are political crises over there. So the Zimbabwe is crisis torn, and during that time period, during that duration, the wild elephants faced violence, and as a result they became refugees. The animals are fleeing the country. Fleeing means escaping, running. Okay, the animals are fleeing the country by wading across the Zambezi River to escape being shot or trapped by so-called war veterans and illegal hunters. The animals, the wild elephants, they are running from the country and they are attacking the Zambezi River. Why are they doing so? They want not to be trapped by the so-called war veterans. War veterans are those people who served in armed forces. Okay, who served in military, who served in army. They are known as war veterans and illegal hunters. Game wardens in Zambia say record numbers of elephants are crossing the Zambezi. What are game wardens? Game wardens are those people who are employed to supervise hunting in a particular area. They supervise the hunting activities in a particular area, and those people are known as game wardens. So the game wardens in Zambia, they recorded that a number of elephants are crossing the Zambezi, which forms the border between the two countries, to avoid being poached by armed gangs in Zimbabwe. Why the elephant are forced to escape or to flee from the country? Because they want to be saved from the armed gangs and from being poached. Elephants are quite intelligent and can communicate. Elephants are intelligent. Elephants are intelligent animals and they can even communicate. They know they are safer on this side of the river. They think they are safer on the Zambezi River, on the side of Zambezi River, rather than in Zimbabwe country. So they just flee over there, said one game warden. One game warden reported this news that elephants are quite intelligent and they think that they are safer on this side of the country. Now here in the second topic we have dangerous exodus. Exodus means when a mass number of animals or human beings, when they migrate somewhere, so we call it exodus. Okay, a mass number of a huge number of people or animals being migrated to somewhere else, then it is called exodus. The exodus is an indication of the devastation facing wildlife in Zimbabwe, where animals are said to be at risk of indiscriminate slaughter in reserves and former privately owned game parks. Here, the reporter is saying that as a large number of animals are migrating to the Zambezi River, so it is an indication that the wildlife is facing a very big destruction. Okay, animals are said to be at risk, and as elephants are intelligent animals, so they understand that we are at risk, and as a result they flee from the country. Slaughter in reserve and former privately owned game parks. Animals are slaughtered in reserves and in privately owned game parks. What are game parks? It's a large area of land which is set aside as a protected area for wildlife animals. This area, an area which is set aside for wild animals, those are known as game parks. With the breakdown of law and order, animals of all kinds are reportedly being poached on a massive scale for ivory and even for food. People are not following the laws over there. They are breaking the rules and regulation, and as a result, the animals are being poached on a very massive scale. At Mosi-oa-Tunya National Park, on the Zambian side of the Zambezi River, elephants are arriving daily from across the river. At National Park, on the Zambian side of the Zambezi River, elephants are arriving from daily. They are arriving there. Wildlife experts say the movement is much larger than the normal seasonal immigration and is causing a serious problem for the Zambian authorities. This movement of elephants is at a very large scale. Daily, a large number of animals are migrating there, and this has created a problem for whom? For the Zambian authorities. There are so many elephants trapped in a small area that serious damage is being caused to the environment. A large number of elephants are although being trapped by the authorities, and that have caused serious damage to the environment of Zambezi River. About 200 elephants are thought to be living in the small national park close to the city of Livingstone. How many elephants are living in the national park? About 200 elephants. An area more used to a population of about 50. The elephants are stripping the area of foliage and knocking down trees, and there are conflicts between the wild elephants and farmers. What damage the elephants are bringing to that area? The elephants are stripping the area of foliage. Foliage means green leaves area, okay? And knocking down trees means they are destructing the trees. And there is always a conflict. There is always a fight between the wild elephant and the farmers. And as a result, what happens? Elephant killed 2 local villagers in the park this year. They have killed how many villagers? 2 villagers. So this was we have read the first 2 topics in this news report. The first one was about the latest refugees from violence, in which we have read that the elephants are fleeing from the country. Why? Because they are feared, or they are facing the problems from the war veterans and the illegal hunters. And in the second paragraph, it was about the dangerous exodus, in which we have read that the elephants have moved to the Zambian side of the Zimbabwe river, and there they are being trapped by the Zambian authority, and almost 200 elephants are living in the national park. This was all about today's lecture. Hope you would have understand. Just read the passage, read this page again and again, and read the next page as well, because when we are going to read the next page, you will have a bit of idea about that. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.